technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome back with a new tutorial on MS Excel for the beginners. We are Team Inclusive Globe Technology and I am Aindrila Basu. In our previous tutorials, we have already learned many operations to manage cells, rows, columns and worksheets. And today onwards, we are going to concentrate on data. Let's start with the basic. I have already opened a workbook and we are in the sheet 1 of book 1.
Book 1-Excel, sheet 1, table A1.
We are in the first cell, A1. Now, to enter data, we have to start typing.
Edit WINDOWS.
After completion of data entry, we have to press enter. So I'm pressing enter.
A2.
Active cell pointer comes down on A2. I'm entering another text.
Edit MACOS.
Now instead of pressing enter, if we press Ctrl enter, then active pointer will remain on that cell. Let's see, I'm pressing Ctrl enter.
macOS A2.
Now I'm coming on the A3 by down arrow.
A3.
Now if we type a text which is already there, then we have to type only 1 or 2 characters. Then the entire text will come automatically. Let's see. I am writing macOS again.
Edit selected macOS.
See, I have only pressed M and the entire text has come. Now we have to press enter only.
A4.
Similarly, we can enter numeric data,
Edit 1, 0. 10 to 4.
decimal number,
A5. Edit 1, 0, dot, 1. 10.1 to 5.
we can enter function.
A6.
Any function or formula starts with equal to sign. I am entering today function which will give today's date.
Edit equals TODAY, left parent, right parent.
Now I am pressing Ctrl enter.
26-03-2022 as formula A6.
So data can be date type. We can enter formula.
A7.
Let's add the values of two cells, A4 and A5.
Edit equals A4 plus A5. 20.1 as formula A7.
Data can be Boolean type, that is either true or false. Let's see.
A8.
In A8, I am comparing the values of two cells, A4 which is 10 with A5 which is 10.1.
Edit equals A4 equals A5.
I have written A4 equal to A5, which is obviously not correct, so it will give the result false. Let's see. I'm pressing Ctrl enter.
False as formula A8.
Now, if we write A4 not equal to A5, then it will give true. Let's see.
A9. Edit equals A4 less greater A5.
I have written A4 not equal to A5. Less sign and greater sign together denotes not equal to sign. I'm pressing Ctrl enter.
True as formula A9.
See, the result is true. Now I'm giving you one more example of data which is an error message. Suppose I'm writing the formula A7 divided by A8.
Edit equals A7 slash A8.
Now in the A7 cell there is a numeric value 20.1 and in the A8 cell there is a Boolean value false. Boolean value false represents 0. So I am dividing a number by 0. So obviously it will give an error message. Let's see. I am pressing Ctrl enter.
Number div slash 0 as formula A10.
Now I am replacing A8 with A9, which is true value.
8 returns the absolute value of a number without its sign. 9
Now the formula is
equals A7 slash A9.
I am pressing Ctrl enter.
20.1 as formula A10.
It has returned the value 20.1 because we have divided a numeric value 20.1 by true, means 1. So we have learned a data can be a number, a text, a date, a function, a formula, a Boolean value, an error message, etc. To edit the cell data, we have to place the cell pointer on that cell. Suppose we want to edit the data of A1 cell, then we have to place the cell pointer on A1. I'm pressing Ctrl Home for A1.
Windows A1.
Now to edit, we have to press function key F2.
Edit Windows.
The cursor blinks on the rightmost. I'm writing 10 here
Space. 1, 0.
and pressing Ctrl Enter.
Windows 10 1.
Instead of pressing Enter, I'm purposely pressing Ctrl Enter to listen the cell values. Now if we overwrite the cell data, then we have to place the cell pointer on that cell. I'm placing it on A2.
Mac OS A2.
Now simply type the data.
Edit A, P, P, L, E. Apple A2.
The new value is overwritten on the previous value. Now if we want to undo the modifications, then we have to press Ctrl Z. I'm pressing Ctrl Z one time. Now let's see A2 and A1.
Mac OS A2. Windows 10 1.
Only the value of A2 cell is returned to its previous value. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Z again. Now see the A2 and A1.
Mac OS A2. Windows A1.
This time A1 is returned to its previous value. So Ctrl Z reverts the modifications to their prior states but follows the reverse sequence. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Y for redo. I'm pressing it one time. Let's see the A1 and A2 now.
Windows 10 1. Mac OS A2.
Only the A1 cell has been modified. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Y again. See the A1 and A2.
Windows 10 1. Apple A2.
So redo follows opposite direction of undo. Undo and redo commands are available in the quick access toolbar. Let's see. I'm pressing Alt key.
Ribbon tab control expanded. Home tab selected Alt H2 of 9.
Now I'm pressing Shift tab.
Ribbon display options collapsed. Show or hide the ribbon to maximize space.
Now I'm pressing right arrow key.
Quick access toolbar. Save button. Save left parent. CTRL plus S right parent. Save this document and refresh it with updates made by other authors. Alt 1 CTRL plus S.
Save button. Now I'm pressing right arrow key again.
Undo split button collapsed. Undo replace left parent. CTRL plus Z right parent. Alt 2.
Undo. Pressing again the right arrow key.
Redo split button unavailable. Collapse can't redo left parent. CTRL plus Y right parent. Alt 3.
Redo. So we can use undo and redo from here also. I'm returning back to the worksheet by escape key.
Sheet 1 table. Windows 10 1.
Next we'll see the use of control and tilde sign, or we can say control and curve sign. From A6 to A10 we have functions and formulas. Normally the end results are same. Now if you want to see all the written functions and formulas of that worksheet in browse mode, then we have to press control and curve sign. On the keyboard, the curve sign is just below the escape key and left side of the alphanumeric key 1. I'm pressing Ctrl and curve. Now see the cell value of A6 to A10.
Equals today left parent, right parent, as formula A6. Equals A4 plus A5 as formula A7. Equals A4 equals A5 as formula A8. Equals A4 less greater A5 as formula A9. Equals A7 slash A9 as formula A10.
To get back the values, we have to again press Ctrl and curve sign. I am pressing it. Let's see the cells A6 to A10.
26-03-2022 as formula A6. 20.1 as formula A7. False as formula A8. True as formula A9. 20.1 as formula A10.
See, the results are back. Control and curve sign is the shortcut key of the command show formulas of the formula tab. Let's see. I am pressing Alt M for the formula tab.
Ribbon tab control expanded. Formulas tab selected Alt M5 of 9.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Formula auto sum recently used financial logical text collapse data to lookup and ref method more functions define names use and formula create from formula auditing trace depend remove arrows show formulas toggle button not pressed show formulas left parent CTRL plus graph right parent display the formula in each cell instead of the resulting value Alt M H CTRL plus graph
show formulas toggle button. Now if we press enter, then it will work same. It is a toggle button, that means the same button is used for apply and dismiss. Before going to end up today's session, let's recall the shortcut keys that we have used today. To edit the cell data, function key F2. Undo, Ctrl Z. Redo, Ctrl Y. Show formulas, Ctrl and curve sign. This is all about for today. If you have any query, then email us at info@inclusiveglobe.com. If you feel this tutorial is informative, please share it to your friends. You can also get the previous tutorial links in the description, and we are eagerly waiting for your valued opinion and a like. Thank you.